Hello everyone, Matt Yankovic, Head of Open Source Strategy at Percona, here to invite you to Percona Community Live. What is Percona Community Live? It is an online event that's coming up June 21st through June 23rd. We had so many outstanding speakers at Percona Live this year, our in-person conference. We couldn't fit them all in. There was so much great content. So those who couldn't make it to the conference in person, those who just missed out on the cut, we invited them to come and speak to you live, online. No matter where you are in the world, you can attend. It's going to be live streamed on Twitch and YouTube and Twitter and everywhere streaming is. So come on out June 21st to the 23rd on your computer, behind your desk, and listen to some of the great speakers in the Postgres, Mongo, MySQL, and the open source space. We really want to see you there.